Let's get you the latest coming in from Delhi, where there is this Delhi classroom scam that is being talked about. In fact, this is during the construction. Now, the charges are as follows: that about 2,000 crore Delhi classroom scam and Enforcement Directorate raids have taken place. There have been massive recoveries by the Enforcement Directorate in the case. There are fake bills. There is also a dummy firm that has emerged in the investigation so far. And these are all accounts that have been unearthed by the Enforcement Directorate. You would recall that there was search, in fact, conducted on the 18th of June, and multiple Aam Aadmi Party leaders could be under the scanner. What is the charge and what have been the recoveries so far? Anushka getting us those details.
That's right. The ED on its searches that ED held on 18th of June has unearthed massive, massive irregularities in the Delhi classroom construction case. They have said that they have found many incriminating documents related to the classroom construction. 12,000 classrooms were in fact constructed, at Delhi government schools, and on that, ED has said that they have in fact unearthed fake accounts, dummy firms and mule accounts that were created to make the classroom. Not just that. The searches were in fact conducted at several different locations. At 37 different locations the searches were held. The ED has found a lot of incriminating details. Now the whole search stems from an FIR that was made by the ACB on 30th of April. Right now Aam Aadmi Party senior leader Manish Sisodia is in fact being questioned by the ACB regarding the classroom construction scam. Before him, Satyendra Jain, who held the portfolio of PWD, was in fact questioned on June 6th. On June 9th, Manish Sisodia was in fact called for questioning, but he had skipped it, citing that he had made earlier plans, and that is why he wasn't able to in fact be there for the questioning. But now today he is being questioned by the ACB officials. A lot of incriminating details have been in fact found by the ED regarding the classroom construction scam. The Aam Aadmi Party leaders are saying multiple times that this is all just a scam by the BJP leaders, and they are weaponizing the central agencies into threatening the Aam Aadmi Party leaders, because the BJP is in fact right now worried about how they will make Delhi a better place than the Aam Aadmi Party made it. But yes, ED had conducted searches at 37 different locations, and now they have found different, incriminating details. Not just that, they have found rubber stamps, forged documents, and they have in fact also said that because originally the 2,000, classrooms was to be made. After that, it was, increased to 7,000 and then to 12,000 subsequently, and that in fact led to the raise of 49.03% on the cost. Over to you.